Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to be co-hosting a challenge hosted by 3 additional amazing channels. I'm co-hosting with This and That with Denise Jordan, Lacey Space, and Measure&Mix. I've listed all of their channels down below in the description box along with a playlist for this exciting challenge. We're hosting the 2019 Summer Container Garden Challenge. We've asked that each participant include the creation of a container garden for an indoor space or outdoor space. I hope you enjoy my container garden today. If you're brand new to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button down below. And if you like today's challenge video, be sure to leave a thumbs up. Leave any questions or comments you have down below in the comment section too, and I'll be sure to answer any questions that you may have. Thanks so much for tuning in, and be sure to check out all of the participants' videos through that easy link down below in the description box. For my container garden, I'm using a container that I already have. This is actually a clear glass vase that I used as a candle holder outside last year. For the filler, I've decided to use some of the decorative accent stones from Dollar Tree. I have 2 packages. For the plants, I've decided to use a common household plant. This is a philodendron plant. These are very hardy and they're very easy to keep alive in either water or in soil. Since I'm also going to use goldfish in my container garden, I'm going to add a water conditioner. This conditioner is made specifically for non-aquarium style fish, or basically just regular goldfish that you would put in a goldfish bowl.